Well, we have a Aston Martin Rapide 2012, and we're gonna show you how to release the parking gear. Well, as you see, the car has been in a bit of a fender bender. This thing does not have a shifter. It has these buttons on the dashboard, and if you don't have power for some reason or anything else, then you won't put her in neutral. Now, the transmission in this car is in the back. It's actually right under the back seat, and it has a release lever for the parking gear. So what you need to do is you lift up the carpet in the back seat. There are two screws. They Phillips drive. You gotta take those screws out. They're actually bolts, but Phillips drive bolts. When you look closer to the transmission well, you're gonna see this lever over here. It has a little cable. You pull on the cable, it looks like a handbrake, and the transmission now in neutral. Just make sure you secure it so the car doesn't roll and kill you while doing that. To release it, you pull on the cable again, press the release button, and release it. And the car is back in parking. That's it.